Hi, I'm David Baer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing my review and inside look at the MyNAMS Profit Planners. So if you're looking for an effective, step-by-step way to start an online business through blogging, through affiliate marketing, through email marketing, one of the best places that I could send you is MyNAMS. And they've put together a really cool, easily accessible and low-priced membership site that will show you step-by-step how to do lots of different things that you might consider using in your online business. So why don't we take a dive inside the MyNAMS Profit Planners membership site. All right, so here we are inside my Profit Planners account. And as you can see, the way that this is set up, it's a monthly membership. Every month, on the 20th of each month, there is a new profit planner that's added to your account. So in this case, when I am shooting this, it's help your clients find you, which is all about getting new leads into your business. And again, this is a pretty universal type of content. So whether you are running an online store, whether you're running an online advisory or consulting or coaching business, if you have information products or courses, most of what's in here is going to apply to you. Now, obviously, there are some things that are going to be more relevant than others, but that's the benefit of having a membership site with so much different content. And speaking of so much different content, let me show you what's in here so far. I think this has been running for a couple of years now. I'm trying to remember how long I've had it. Each month, there's a new profit planner that's added. So if you look down here, this is probably the early stuff. So, how to dump your day job. This is probably, how to get, how to transition from being employed to running your own business online. How to discover hot, profitable niches. Stuff about how to get going with WordPress. How to use autoresponders most effectively. If you are doing coaching, the way to structure a coaching business profitably, how to use blogging as a means for income. The $100 startup. This is a really instructive tool on how to spend as little as possible to maximize to get up and running your business and maximize your profits, and so on. I mean, you can see there's some diversity here in terms of what's inside. Now, there are 4 major places where the content here focuses. As you could see, general content about how to run a business, but then there's a focus on affiliate marketing, list building, email marketing, and then finally just productivity in general to make your business run more efficiently and more effectively. All right, so now you've seen inside, let's take a look at the sales page for the Profit Planners. At least this is the current sales page as I'm shooting this. This is David Perdue, who founded MyNAMS and runs it together with his daughter Jen. They are probably 2 of my favorite people when it comes to recommending teachers, trainers for running online businesses. They are an open book in terms of how they've run their own business, showing both their successes and their failures so that people can learn from what they have already been through. And so the Profit Planners, as I said, is a monthly membership. As you can see, there's kind of, I told you, 4 different areas. So list building, email marketing, affiliate marketing, and productivity are kind of the general areas. This is the current book that's on offer, or the program that's on offer. It comes with a textbook, a workbook, a checklist, tools that help support whatever the regular or the monthly topic is, ideas about how to get through this process, and then some sort of planning calendar as well. And then here's what's coming up the next month, so you can kind of see what's ahead. And here is the 12 months ahead for the Profit Planners. Now you can see that here are all the past Profit Planners, and this is similar to what I was just showing you inside the membership. The different types of content that they have already produced, and you can either subscribe to this monthly annually or for a one-time fee where you get access to everything that's already in there and everything that's to come. So here is how it's priced. There's sort of this regular pricing and then the incentivized quote-unquote sale price. I'm not sure if these will have changed by the time you see this video, but you can see a monthly membership of $19.99, an annual membership of $77, and a one-time payment of $119.99, making this obviously the best value. Now, in this this purchase, you then get access to everything that already exists, plus anything that is added to the membership site in the future. One of the best deals that I think I could recommend out there in the how to start a business online world, which is ripe with so much training, so much content, and so much overpriced stuff as well. I'm really happy to recommend the stuff that the folks over at NAMS produce. It's rare that they produce something that isn't a solid, valuable piece of training, and I highly recommend that you check out this product simply by clicking the link below this video to head over to the sales page and figure out if this is a good choice for you in developing your own online business.